10 Amazon Kitchen Finds. This could be the best upgrade for your tiny kitchen, but why? Washing dishes by hand wastes about 120 hours a year. This countertop dishwasher doesn't require any complicated plumbing. It fits cups, plates, cutlery, and you just fill it up with water from the top, add detergent, and let it run on. And any of these presets that sanitize your dishes. But the crazy part is you can use the fruit setting to clean your produce. It turns almost anything into ice cream. But how does it actually work? This specially designed blade glides through whatever you freeze, working top to bottom, scraping whatever you froze layer by layer to create this smooth consistency of ice cream. The different modes attack in different ways, which is why it works so well with things like frozen chocolate milk, a can of frozen fruits, Amazon products. You've probably never seen a toaster like this one, but what makes it so different? It's not the fact that the opening is huge compared to other toasters, or that it shows the toasting temperature, but the fact that it can tilt over onto its side, turning into a mini oven that has bacon broil settings and uses this special tray for things like cooking chicken strips, melting cheese, reheating pizzas. This is popular in Japan, but why? The curved shape produces oil splatters. A built-in thermometer shows if your oil is hot enough to use in. The lid swings open, revealing a rack where you can place your deep-fried food, letting the oil drip back into the pot. But what do you do with all this oil? You can either use the built-in spout to strain it for later use, or you can use this powder that magically solidifies it so you can throw it out. This is one of the highest rated waffle makers on Amazon. But why? It's not because it has a special built-in waffle thong, or because it flips from side to side, but because it's one of the few waffle makers that lets you make stuffed waffles with any filling you want. And just wait till you see what they look like. And I'm not just talking about sweet waffles with fruits and Nutella, but savory ones too. Imagine ones with ham and cheese. If your pantry is messed, this might be the best way to store your grains. This rotating legume storage system organizes 6 types of grains and lets you dispense them with the press of a button right into this removable container. This might be the most advanced smart lunchbox I've ever seen. The bag is insulated with a compartment on top for normal snacks, but the bottom half holds the key to the whole thing when you charge it the night before and set your desired lunchtime and temperature up to 220 degrees. The lunchbox will automatically start heating your food 2 hours in advance so that it's ready when you are. This is not just a handheld blender. I mean, sure, this part does blend things and it's designed in a way to prevent splashing. And it comes off so you can stick it in the dishwasher after you make Cheryl mayo or blend some chunky soup. But the best part is it comes with other attachments like this whisk for whipping and stirring, this mini food processor that minces veggies into salsa. If you don't know where to put your produce, then it ends up sitting on the counter. This vertical produce storage card is grained for the box. This is one of the highest rated portable electric silicon mats with edge-to-edge heating and 3 heat levels that go up to 212 degrees, which make it great for thawing food or keeping your food hot and ready to serve with no need to worry about messes or storage because it's splash-proof. It folds up to put away.